Hey, and welcome to another video. In this video here, I'm going to show you how to transfer APK files from a computer to your Firestick, Fire TV, Android device, whatever you want to try using. But I'm going to be using a desktop computer and a Firestick. First thing you want to do is you want to go to the AdbLink website and download their software. You read the features, global features. Down here will be the downloads. If you got Windows to Mac, Linux, click that. It has installation instructions for each. I've already done it and installed it. It's very easy. I've had popcorn time on my Firestick. I'll go to that real quick and show you that I've uninstalled it. Alright, so here we are on the TV, and you'll notice that I have popcorn time right here. Well, we're going to get rid of that. So you can see that this works. We're going to have to go to settings, notifications, applications, manage installed applications. Okay, and then popcorn time. And I'll go down to uninstall. Alright. Now you're going to back out of there, and what you want to do is go to My Fire TV, leave it right on the About, go down to Network, and there's your IP address over there on the right. So what you want to do is write that down and then go back to your home page. Okay, now that we're done uninstall that, you want to go to popcorn time. You want to scroll down to the bottom till you get your choices here. We want popcorn time for Android. There's other choices here for you, but you're going to click this and it's going to start to download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to close it. Now we're going to set up our AdbLink, but we have to move some files. Okay, now when you install your AdbLink, it's going to make a folder right here, your local disk, whatever it is. My local disk, my main hard drive is C, so it's going to be right there, and you're going to double click in there, and I've already made a folder. This won't be there. This is all you get, so you just want to click new folder. I just named it APKs, enter. Then you're going to go to the folder where you downloaded popcorn time. That's usually in my downloads folder. So you're just going to go back over here, open that APK folder, drag popcorn time into it. And that's all you have to do for that. Now you want to open up your AdbLink. Alright, once that's up, alright, let me get rid of that. Okay, now that that's open, you want to go up here to File, Preferences, and it's already in there. If not, make sure you put it in there that it goes from AdbLinks to apps. Just going to click on Pool Folder, make sure that's local disk is selected, go into AdbLinks, APKs, select it, click OK. Now we need a new device, click New, Give your device a description. Give it the address that you got off your IP. Then go down to the pool folder. It should automatically pop right open to this screen. Just select APKs. Select OK. Leave everything else the way it is. Click Save. And it should find it. There it goes. Now you want to hit Connect. And okay, now Firestick's connected. Now it has no jobs, so we got to give it a job. So now you want to go down to Install APKs. Click that. You're going to go right to this folder. Select Popcorn Time. Open. It's going to ask you if you want to install it. Click Yes. Now it has a job. Down here, this is the progress line, or like the loading. It'll show you how far the progress is. Once that gets started, it doesn't take much more than a minute, maybe not even a minute. And once this is done, you'll get a little message up here. Once that message comes up here, we're going to head over to the Firestick, and you're going to see on the bottom right hand side of the corner on the Firestick on the TV that it said it's going to show you that the APK was successfully installed, because this does it all for you. And when we go over there, I'm going to show you that all you have to do is scroll down to the app, click it, and it's ready to use. So if you're having problems with Downloader or Aptoid or any other ways of getting your APKs on there, this is a pretty nice alternative. Now the APK was installed. Click OK. Now you're going to hit disconnect and close it, and we'll head over to the Firestick. Right now, let's see what we got. My apps, my channels, and there's Popcorn Time. Click on it. And it's ready to go. Popcorn Time is back. And that's how easy it is. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, share it. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video.